Hello, welcome to our new lesson. Today we are going to continue our previous lesson about alphabet. But today, I'm going to teach you vowel and consonant sounds in Indonesia. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe. And if you really don't want to miss a lesson, make sure you click the bell icon. The way that you will always get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's start with the vowel in Indonesian. Huruf vokal. Do you know how many vowels we have in Indonesia? 12 vowels. Just kidding. Just 5. Super simple. And here's the cool part. Once you know the sound, it never changes. Easy.
Oh, yes.
So let's go through them one by one. Ready? Ah. This is the sounds of ah in English. Ha. It is never the ah of English. Cat. Example. A for apa. Apa? Ada. Saya. There are two quite distinct sounds written with this letter. The first is a mute or unstressed sound called schwa, as in English, delight or burden. Example. For cemar. Pesan. Resmi. The second one is less common and like the familiar of English, met. In normal Indonesian writing, the two kinds of are not distinguished, but luckily the dictionaries help us by marking the second with an acute accent. Example. Beca. Mereka. Rem. This is pronounced as an English in. Keep it short, not like English Examples. Sini. Hari. Kecil. Pohon. Roti. This is pronounced like the in English, put, or the in food. Remember to keep it round, clear and clipped. Example. Susu. Tikus. Ungu. Now, let's move on to the consonants. In Indonesian, we call them huruf consonant. We've got 21 consonants, just like in English. But don't worry, the pronunciation is way more consistent. Okay, let's go through them together, nice and slow. Baru. D. Dua. Foto. Cari. These letters always has the sound of English, ch. So never the k of cat or the s of center. It's always ch for chop. Cantik. Cinta. Celana. Gigi. These sounds can be found at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word. In principle, it must always be heard. Example of initial hari. Hidup. Hujan. In the end of the sentence. Sudah. Bersih. Mudah. A medial H. Paha. Leher. K. Like English, except that in the final position, it is unreleased. Glottal stop. Example. Tidak. Nenek. Cetak. L. Delapan. M. Sembilan. N. 6. 10. Siapa? Tempat. Vegetarian. Warna. Ya. Zebra. This letter is always sounded, no matter where it occurs. It is the light roll, not the American R or the guttural R, French or German. No. It's always rolling R. So if you see the letter combination, E plus R, as in kerja, to work, then both have to be heard. Similarly with R, as in sukar, and as in syukur. Let's practice. Perlu, harus, bubur. Alright, thanks for watching today's lesson. You did a great job. In the next lesson, we are going to learn more about vowel combination and also consonant or letter combination in Indonesian. So make sure you don't miss it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll always get notified when I upload the next video. See you in the next lesson. Bye!